If you want to create a graphic in Gamma app quickly and without needing advanced design skills, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so you can go from a blank dashboard to a polished graphic in just a few minutes. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the site loads, sign in with your account. If you already use Gamma, this part should be quick. If not, just follow the on-screen sign-in prompts so you can access your dashboard. After you log in, you'll land on the Gamma dashboard. This is where all of your new projects begin. From here, look for the Create New button and click it. Gamma will now show you different content type options, and this is the part where you need to choose graphic. Selecting graphic tells Gamma that you want to create a visual design instead of a presentation or a document. This is important because it helps the platform generate the right layout and format for your idea, so go ahead and click Graphic to continue. Now Gamma will ask you what kind of graphic you want to create. This is where you type a clear and simple prompt. For example, you could enter something like, create a graphic about time management tips, or create a graphic for social media about healthy habits. The key here is to keep your prompt specific but not overly complicated. A good prompt gives Gamma enough direction without confusing the tool. If your idea is too broad, the result may not be as focused as you want. So instead of just saying make a graphic, try saying something more useful, like create a graphic about productivity tips for students, or create a graphic explaining the benefits of morning routines. Once you've entered your prompt, click Generate or Continue, depending on what Gamma shows on your screen. Gamma will then begin building your graphic automatically based on your input. If Gamma asks you to choose a style or theme, take a moment to review the options. This step helps control the overall look of your graphic, including the tone, colors, and visual style. You might see choices that feel modern, minimal, bold, professional, or creative. Pick the one that fits your topic best. After that, Gamma will create your first draft. Now comes the most important part, reviewing the design. Take a close look at the text, images, layout, and overall structure. Make sure the information is clear and that the graphic matches the message you want to share. If anything looks off, Gamma makes it easy to edit. You can change the text if it needs to be shorter or easier to read. You can also adjust colors so they better match your brand or preferred style. If the images don't fit your topic, replace them with something more relevant. And if the layout feels crowded or unbalanced, you can move things around until it looks cleaner. This is where Gamma becomes really useful because instead of starting from scratch, you're working with a generated design that you can refine quickly. That means less time designing and more time focusing on the actual message of your graphic. As you edit, keep the design simple and easy to understand. A strong graphic usually has one main message, clear text, and a clean visual layout. Don't overload it with too many words or too many design elements. The goal is to make it easy for your audience to understand at a glance. Once you're happy with the final version, you can save it, share it, or export it depending on the options available in your Gamma account. At this point, your graphic is ready to use for social media, presentations, blog content, or any other project you have in mind. So that's how to create a graphic in Gamma app from start to finish. You opened Gamma, started a new project, selected graphic, entered a simple prompt, generated the design, and then customized it to make it your own. It's a fast and beginner-friendly way to create clean visuals without spending hours designing manually. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma app guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.